Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of having your own website but thought it was too complicated or expensive, you're in for a treat today. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to build a beautiful and fully functional website for free using Wix AI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own site published on the web. No design or coding skills needed, just a bit of imagination and a few clicks. Let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is start a new site with Wix Studio. Head over to your Wix dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, it just takes a moment to sign up. Once you're in, look for the Create New Site button. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll see an option to choose your editor. Select Wix Studio, because that's where all the newest AI tools and design features live. Next, Wix will prompt you to specify what type of website you're looking to build. So, think about your main goal. Are you starting a business, showcasing a portfolio, writing a blog, or maybe opening an online store? This helps Wix AI tailor the whole building process for your needs. Now, let's really put Wix's AI to work. The platform's going to ask you a few simple questions. Don't rush through this part. It'll want to know what your business or site is all about, what special features you'll need, like bookings, blogs, or online shopping, and what kind of look you're going for. Is your style modern and sleek, cozy and minimal, or maybe vibrant and colorful? Try to paint a clear picture here so the AI can generate a design that feels just right for you. Based on your responses, Wix AI will instantly whip up a complete website layout, filled with relevant pages, sections, and some starter content. It's honestly a bit like magic. But here's where you can truly make your site your own. Customize with Wix AI's features. If your headlines or descriptions sound a bit too generic at first, use the AI text generator to rewrite them, or even draft entirely new ones on the fly. This is especially handy if you want to optimize your content for SEO, since the AI can suggest keywords that'll help you get found on Google. For visuals, check out the AI image generator in Wix Media. You can easily create custom backgrounds, hero images, or unique product shots without any design software. Want to add an About section or services list? The AI Layout Suggestions tool offers professionally styled blocks, so your new sections will fit perfectly with the look of your site. And don't forget the Wix SEO Whiz. It's an AI-powered guide to help you nail down your site title, meta descriptions, and the overall structure so your site performs well in search results. Once you've got the basic site and content in place, spend some time fine-tuning everything in the Wix Studio editor. Take a moment to check how your site looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Wix lets you easily adjust things like docking, margins, and padding to make sure everything lines up nicely, no matter the device. Use the Global Styles menu to set your brand's colors, choose your main fonts, and customize button styles, keeping your whole site looking polished and consistent. If you want to add a little wow factor, this is a great time to explore Wix's interactive elements. Try out some animations or hover effects, or even embed a video to keep visitors engaged. Alright, now's the moment of truth. Before you publish, don't forget to hit preview to see your entire site in action. Click through all your pages just to double-check that everything feels smooth and looks how you want. When you're happy, smash that Publish button. And just like that, Wix will instantly put your new website online for the world to see. You'll get a free wixsite.com address automatically. And if you have your own custom domain, you can connect it right here as well. Let me leave you with a couple of quick pro tips for using Wix AI effectively. The clearer and more specific your prompts, the better your results. For example, instead of saying restaurant, try something like, I run a modern coffee shop in Manila with online ordering. Use AI to get your site up fast, but don't hesitate to tweak the wording or images so they really match your personal brand. And if you don't love what the AI comes up with the first time, no worries. Just rerun the suggestions and check out the new variations. That's it. You've officially built and published your website for free using Wix AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below with any questions or what kind of site you're building. I love hearing your ideas. And if you want more accessible, step-by-step tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy website building.